Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add weight to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select weight from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. To set a fixed value for all products, click Fixed Value and enter the desired value. For the weight field smart settings, you can choose the weight unit from the list provided. For example, if the product weight is 5 without any units in the feed file, you can add units from the list. Then, weight converter is used to convert the weight value. For example, if the weight of the product is 500 gram, but the desired outcome is 0.5 kilogram. Simply select the G to kg option. You also can change the weight delimiter as you need. Another feature is skip update when feed value is blank. Value 0 is not a blank. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.